get back easily.
Yeah, there is a blizzard, sabi niya. I was scared for a little, sabi niya.
Yeah,
Yeah.
good thing Xavier made an igloo. And si Lorax yun, di ba?
Si
Lorax yun
Lorax.
si Ate. Right, so. Yeah,
Ito
Lorax
pala
made
yung
an igloo.
We almost died from that. Like, I mean, it's just a mere of luck that we survived. I mean, because of your authors warming us. Eh?
Yeah, they're
I'm
very
glad, sabi ni
comfortable.
Mother. I'm
Thank
glad.
you.
Cozy.
Well, having fur sure have advantages.
Yeah.
It does.
Anyways, for your reward, you're asking for me to show you the way to Bryn Shander, the safest way.
The safest way.
Yes. Sabi ni Asra, finally.
I can lead you there willingly. Tapos si the spirit cell, can I come? Sabi niya. Tapos hindi siya pinapayagan ni Mother Task.
Aw.
It's okay,
Tapos nakita niyo si
Felitzele.
spirit cell bumaba lang yung earth si spirit cell. Tapos sabi ni Mother Task, it's too dangerous for your spirit cell.
Nag
Tapos pinat na lang ni Orpheus yung head ni Spitzel.
Okay,
Maybe
say your
next time if it's
goodbye to
more
your spirit
safer.
cell.
Nagnil si Javier kay Felitzele. It's okay, young lad. We're gonna come back here
Tapos,
and give you a lot of food.
tapos
Yeah.
nakipat na lang dun si Asra, pinanggigilan niya si Spitzel.
Make sure to bring tons of fish, alright?
Make sure
Tons of it.
also to not
For
be
the all of
killed
for
by
all of
wolf.
us. Ay, tapos pagkasabi niyang for all of us, nakita niyo lahat ng animals sa cave.
It's gonna be a lot of fish. But sure, we'll try and bring some, sabi ni Orpheus.
Okay.
So let's go.
Okay. Sumunod kayo kay Mother Task.
Yes.
Okay, follow Mother Task. Tinuro niya yung safest way. Pinakita niya yung isang pathway. Clear pathway.
Okay.
Papunta sa 10 towns. Since nasa mountainside kayo, natatanaw niyo yung buong 10 towns. Like yung towns. And sa taas yung auroras and everything. And sabi niya, nag-motion towards sa inyo si Mother Task. Be firm in your resolve, two-leggers. It's more than wolves or owlbears or humans who threatens you there. The very weather itself seeks your demise. Greater power than you or me war here. Go with my thanks and my blessing. May we meet again under better and brighter skies. And as if the weather
Oh,
itself was eavesdropping on your conversation, clouds roll in, a biting wind cuts across your face, and snow falls like a veil being drawn across the world.
Nag
Sakita nyo? Paglingon nyo dun. Wait. Let me give the handout instead.
nagbow down si Javier kay Mother Tess.
yeah, same
Glad
with
Okay.
Orpheus.
Nagbow down din si Mother Tas sa inyo. Be safe,
glad
two-leggers.
glad to be at your service, madam.
May we meet again, sabi niya.
Wow.
Sakita niya
Maybe meet again.
nagwaddle slowly si Mother Task palayo.
Nagnil si
Wow,
Just a
pretty.
few miles, yeah. A few miles na lang naman yung Bryn Shander. Natatanaw niya na yan sa layo.
nagnil si
Okay.
Javier kay Fuyu. So Fuyu, are
Um,
you ready, boy?
Ay, hindi sumama si Fuyo.
Ay, di ba? Di tumama.
Hindi.
Akala ko mamamatay mag-isa yun, kaya sasama siya.
Sige. Sinama
for
na lang.
sure.
Sige.
Wala siyang
Tatanong kayo
pack.
sa
Ay, yung
Sige,
usapan
sige.
namin.
Sige, sige. Sasama lang.
Kala ko may sarili siyang
Wala
quest
sa
para
usapan
mag-ano
ng
ng
Pero
podcast.
okay lang naman sa akin kung gusto niya magsarili. Okay lang naman sa akin. Ang sabi
well,
niya
kahit
kasi, wala na daw siyang pack. And
uh,
sabi niya sa akin, sure mo
Hahanap
ba,
siya ng pack.
nabibigyan mo ba ako ng pagkain kapag sumama ako sa'yo? So,
okay,
sinabi
okay.
ko, okay. Kasi baka
Nawala kasi sa usapan eh. Kala ko, ayaw niyo na siya isama eh.
hindi Siyempre sumusunod lang siya.
So, lagay ko muna kayo sa default ng
I
ano.
have a dog.
Yeah, we
Okay.
have a dog.
Si Asteria, fixated lang siya sa Aurora Borealis. Which is actually games.
Ah,
Okay, may few minutes kayo of travel. Yeah, saglit lang naman. Siguro
Okay.
mga 2 minutes away sa Brimshad.
Orpheus
Gonna go it.
Astrea.
So,
Sabi ni,
why are you
ni
headed
Javier.
to bring Shander anyway?
We are,
Sabi ni Orpheus kay Xavier.
we are
Javier.
having, we're finding a trading town.
A trading town.
Yeah.
So why?
I mean,
Goodness me.
we are selling fishes and, Lorax and I are selling fish because we are butcher and fishermen.
Okay, nag-uusap kayo habang
So,
naglalakad kayo papunta sa Brimshad.
So do you want to, I
so
mean, we didn't met, we are properly introduce ourselves. Do you want to find any safe place there and stay for a night?
yes, that's what we came here for. Sabi ni Asteria. We're going there to find a place.
Yeah,
We can't stand this now.
medyo madilim na ba?
No, umaga pa rin.
Umaga.
Kakagising nyo lang.
Ah,
Kakaalis nyo lang.
okay, kala ko
Yeah, yeah. Maliwanag na, maliwanag.
umaga kami na
Maaga
gano'n.
pa, maaga
Okay,
pa.
Yeah, pero walang sun. Yeah, walang sun.
wala
So
saan.
it's still a little dim.
I think we
Forever dim.
Okay, I think we need to find a safe place
Maaga lang.
to go back when we are in danger or we are in cold, eh?
Yeah, but for now, let's go.
Not,
Let's
Okay.
go
So,
there.
diretso na kayo sa Brim
Let's
Shander,
take
no?
this
Wala nang liliko or
opportunity.
something.
wala na,
Walang
wala
liliko,
na.
walang
Wala,
liliko, walang liliko.
wala.
Wala liliko. Wala liliko. Brain
Wala
shunder na.
nalilito. Brain thunder, brain thunder.
Pwede, pwede.
What if
Wala
Wala
punta
man
tayo
dito,
sa
wala
Red
namin.
Joke lang.
Alright, let's start.
Brain shunder
Okay.
muna kami. We're
Okay.
finding a tavern.
Brain thunder.
Icewind has become
Yes.
trapped in a perpetual winter. Voracious blizzards make the mountain pass through the spine of the world exceedingly treacherous, and this land has not felt the warmth of the sun in over 2 years. In fact, the sun no longer
No.
appears above the mountains, not even in what should be the height of summer. In this frozen tundra, darkness and bitter cold reign as king and queen. Most Dale residents blame Auril, the Frost Maiden, the god of winter's wrath. The shimmering aurora that weaves across the sky each night is said to be her doing, a potent spell that keeps the sun at bay. Dale folk live in a scattering of settlements known as 10 towns. Tong mga town na nakikita nyo, each dot na yan, tong black na dot na yan, yan mga
Mm.
towns. Town din tong mga white, pero yung mga black is mga huge towns. So, ito mga mini town, yung mga white
Mm-mm.
dots. Still a town.
Okay. Okay.
The drop-off in caravans coming from the south and travel between settlements in the never-ending winter has left everyone feeling isolated. Although each town has resolved to appease the Frost Maiden with sacrifices of one kind or another, no respite from winter's fury seems forthcoming. For adventurers such as yourselves, Ten Town is a place to test one's mettle, and in the spirit of heroes who have come before, leave one's mark on the frigid and blighted land. Okay. After ilang minutes, banda sa entrance ng Bryn Shander,
Mhm.
May nakikita kayong corpse. From afar nakikita nyo silhouette ng corpse.
Hmm? What?
Kung want to look. Yeah,
Okay.
silhouette ng corpse. Banda sa entrance. Kasi yung Brain Shunder may
Banda.
wall siya. May wall of, may, yeah, may makeshift wall siya na gawa sa wood.
Wait.
Mhm.
I think
And a
So,
little
silhouette pa
far
lang yung
from the
nakikita namin.
silhouette ng corpse na nakahiga doon.
I think something's wrong with
Okay,
this
okay.
town. Think we shouldn't go in for say.
Well,
We should investigate more.
well, this is one of the biggest towns. Tas ano, si Orpheus. Wait, tingnan ko kung may maid fan si Orpheus, ah. Okay?
Okay, ang
Ano ang pipa?
pwede ko ba gawin is kung medyo foggy yung ano
Ay, meron.
is
Yeah, mga ilang feet kayo away. Hindi nyo nakikita yung details since, yeah, medyo foggy nga.
Okay.
And
Si
natatabunan
Orpheus,
siya ng bits of snow.
si Orpheus, gamit yung maid hand niya from afar. Trinay
Okay.
niyang i-ano, i-investigate yung corpse.
Okay, so aangat mo siya since nakadapa siya eh.
Oo.
Okay,
Ever
pagkaangat
since
mo
lang.
sa kanya, may nakita ka na ice spear directly sa heart niya. Parang,
Oh,
yeah, parang dagger na gawa sa ice na nakastab sa heart, directly sa heart niya.
I guess this is not a safe
And
okay.
place.
corpse is very much frozen.
Virgin. Okay. So, may ice spear.
Okay, ano yung
Yes,
paligid
may
namin?
dagger sa heart niya. Yeah, just the gates ng Brain
Okay.
Shander. May nakikita kayo na guards dun sa taas, nag-uusap sila. You hear the busy town of Brain Shander sa labas.
Eh
Literal
yo!
na nasa harapan niya.
Sumigaw ako.
Okay? May tumingin sa'yo yung guard.
Mhm.
Eh,
We're
what you doing eh? Don't touch that, sabi ng guards.
we're not touching it. What happened
Don't
here?
I can
What's
see
the deal with the
the
corpse?
magical hands removes that dispel that.
Okay, ito sinalis ni Orpheus.
Okay, we're
What's the deal with the
just
corpse?
what the deal with the corp?
Yeah, that's don't touch the evidence, sabi nila. Are you here for
The
trade or
evidence.
visit?
Yeah,
Sabi
we're
niya.
here for the trade. We are fishermen's. Come from
And
come
for
from the
visit.
town of kung ano man yung town ko. Hindi ko na maalala.
Eh, tinignan niya kayo isa-isa. Alright? For a few
We're just
do look
visiting.
like adventurers. Yeah, do come in, sabi niya. Tapos inopen nila yung gates.
Okay.
They didn't ask further
Okay.
questions. Sanay na sila na laging may nagbe-venture dyan for trade, visit.
Okay.
Okay.
They're kind.
Okay. Hey girl, is
What
there
happened with the
any
corpse?
town here, any tavern here to have a
And a very
place
good
to
one.
stay?
Yeah, there's a near tavern here. It's called the North Look Tavern. You can stay there. It's just a
North
few walks.
Okay. We'll get there. Orpheus, do you want to
Okay.
stay at do you want
Tapos
to stay at the
nangunguna na si
tavern?
Astrea. Si Astrea, papunta na siya sa tavern. Nauna na siya sa inyo before pa siya sumagot sa question mo.
Okay, ito yung base map ng
Akala ko
Brain
tavern.
Shander. Ganun siya, may wall. Sa Brain Shander, malaki siyang city.
I'm a giant. Sasageyo, sasageyo.
Yeah,
Sasagi.
so far, habang naglalakad kayo dyan, people are friendly, ngumingiti sila sa inyo, nag-wave sila sa inyo, friendly sila. Kikita niyo maraming services, bustling yung town,
Okay.
may mga guards,
Hindi ko
and
nagagawa.
medyo warm sa town. It's like, may complete sila sa mga torch sa paligid. It's comfy sa
What?
Brain Shander.
Finally, some warmth.
What if ito yung
Okay,
ano na lang
dadiretso kayo
natin? Yung ito na lang yung ano natin, no? Yung maliit na ano.
Kaya nga, ang liit nga eh.
Pero hindi ko na gagawin interactive yun. Kita mo kung gano'n ka.
So, isa-isa.
Yun yung
Gusto
kunin
na
mo sa Dragon
gusto
Knight.
namin pumasok, tinanyak. Asan yung tavern?
Tapos ano, si,
Okay, pupunta
si
tayo sa
Astra,
tavern.
Oo.
okay, wait lang, si Astrea, mag-scout siya for any shop.
Okay, so iiwalay si Astra or habang naglalakad kayo sa North
Tama.
Loop.
Oo. Habang naglalakad sa ano,
Okay, Astra, may nakita ka na
papunta.
blacksmith.
Blacksmith.
Yeah, blacksmith.
Okay, okay.
May mga few
For sure.
shops. May mga few shops na nagbebenta ng knickknacks. Na blacksmith. May nagbebenta din ng food sa tabi.
Okay.
For now, I
Tapos
just
habang naglalakad sila, bumibili lang si Astrea.
titig
Habang nauna sila.
titignan lang ni
Sige,
Javier.
maunang,
Okay, sige.
Sabi
Okay,
ni
sa mga knickknacks gusto mo pa ba i-roleplay yan? Bibili siya
oo.
ng mga knickknacks.
Ano ang knickknacks?
I just want to lay
Mga
down.
mga abubot. Mga bubot lang.
Mga ababa. Okay, kahit hindi na, parang tawag doon,
Oo.
bumibili si Astrea ng mga useless things.
Okay. Bawat store na daanan niya, bumibili
Oo,
siya
bibili
actually
siya
ng
ng
mga
isa. Oo.
Si Lorax naman, tinusundan lang niya si Astrea tapos na-amaze siya sa mga binibili niya. Like, tinitignan lang.
mga
Window
useless
shopping lang si Lorax. Kaya sabi ni
yung mga
Javier,
mga keychain,
we
ganun.
cannot afford that. We cannot afford that, eh. Just,
Tapos nakita ni Astrea si Lorax na tumitingin. What, do you want one?
tumingin siya kay Javier. Just do whatever you want. Just don't buy anything because we cannot afford it, okay? Si Lorax biglang
I mean,
tumingin kay Astrea. Nag-nudge siya.
I mean, I have like 20, just pick one.
Tinuro niya yung pinaka-cute.
Sige. Tapos binigay ni Astrea. Well, here,
Okay,
you can have one.
mag-roll ka ng mag-roll ka ng ano bang range? Ano bang max na ginagastos ni Asria lagi? Sa isang araw.
Siguro, sa isang araw, siguro nakaka 2 to 3 gold.
Okay, so mag-roll ka ng dice ng 1d5. Ay, 1d6 na lang kung
Okay.
gaano karaming gold yung ginastos niya ngayong araw kakalakad. Kasi bawas mo na lang
Oh
sa
my
gold.
God.
Kala mo,
Ay,
porket di natin ni-roleplay, di ko babawas yan.
wait lang, anong ilan? 1d4?
6.
1d6?
1d6.
Ooh, 1d6.
1d6.
Ouch.
Hindi, sige, 1d4 na lang. Gold naman yun eh.
Ah,
Hindi ko. Okay.
Cheap
Paano ko
naman yung mga
tatanggalin to?
binibentahan din. Cheap naman so
Wait
far.
lang, tingnan lang.
wow, 3. Pinakamataas pa talaga.
Tatlo lang.
Okay,
Kinakaba.
nagawa
Ay,
siya na.
kay Orpheus, pero sige.
Okay lang, bawas mo na lang kay Asya.
Sige.
Okay, after
Mababawas ko ba
ilang
yun
minutes
dito sa...
maglakad, bawas mo na lang dito. Mismo.
Hindi. Sige, go lang.
Uh,
Saan ba yung gold nyo dito? Ayun, 22 na lang. Sa mga
Ay,
abubot ni
nag-arrive.
Astrea. Okay.
Ay, nag-arrive kayo sa tavern. Yung tavern, it's, let's say, it's warm, comfy sa tavern. Wait na, wala yung music.
okay. Akala ko may sariling eh.
Yeah, so far comfy sa tavern. Nakikita niya yung, ano ba tawag dito? Ano tawag ulit sa nagbebenta sa tavern?
Wait
The
lang.
bartender.
Barkeep.
Bartender.
Barkeep.
By the way,
Nag-wave sa inyo yung
pagkapasok pala nila, tinanggal ni
Mhm.
Javier yung tabo niya sa ulo.
Oh,
What does it look like?
Nakita, yung itsura niya is a middle-aged man. Na, ito yung itsura niya. Pagkatapos, at last.
Ting, ting.
This helmet is... I cannot breathe inside of it. Ito yung,
maraming, busy tavern.
ito yung itsura niya.
Send mo na lang somewhere.
Ayan. Ayan yung itsura ni Javier.
Oh, nice.
Pagkatanggal niya.
Let me emote that.
Napang.
Yeah, this...
Nice.
this...
Okay.
Akala friends yung nakasulat sa collar.
Hindi.
FRN. Kala.
This helmet is very suffocating.
So yeah,
Let's see, I keep it away for a second, eh?
sabi ni Orvis, so you're human.
Uh, yeah, what did you expect,
I thought you
okay?
were something else.
What did you expect, bud?
Well, you have like steam coming out of you, or what is that about it?
Yeah, it's a
So
fact,
I
it's
thought
a
you were
helmet.
something else.
I mean, it's given by a friend.
I wasn't quite sure what you really are, actually.
Nagbow siya. Here you are.
Okay, well, finally, nice to see your
Okay.
face.
Kumatok.
So Orvis.
Narinig niyo yung bar skip dito. Kumatok siya sa table. Excuse me. Are you going to order or what? You've been sitting there for almost 2 minutes.
We just sitting here for like
Ah,
30
well,
seconds. Didn't
Well,
even
sitting is not free.
he,
Sitting is not free.
he didn't
Sabi niya.
even offer us a seat. We just sit somewhere. A lot of people here, and we just find a seat.
Well,
okay.
everyone here is paying except for you.
You're not giving us
Tapos ano,
menu for us to buy, so
Well, you want me to go there? This is not some kind of restaurant. Is it?
you
Kasi
it's
kita nyo
not
siya lang yung
something
nagsaserve
okay.
dyan. Walang server or something.
you are from outside. You are advertising yourself as a tavern. A tavern who will serve a menu.
Know how taverns work, sabi niya.
Well,
Don't
I
act so
Naisip lang si
nosy. There
Asya
are
na
no
order.
restaurants in Icewind Dale, sabi niya. Only taverns. Only shitty taverns.
so why are
So,
you here?
do you have room?
Dito isa-isa. Ano?
Go lang. Sige, go. Si ano.
Ano?
Ay,
Hindi,
ay,
kasi
Hindi,
ikaw
ano
ikaw.
na.
Nagantay tayo.
Ayun.
Tingin ikaw na muna.
Sige, sige. Sabi ni Asya, do you have rooms?
Yeah, we do have rooms. We're going to rent one.
How much is for the night?
Tapos, alam mo yung tinitingnan niya? Si Astro yung nagsasalita, no? Tinitingnan ka niya
Oo.
from head to toe. Kasi kita niya,
Oh,
ang dami
God
mong
damn it.
binili. Mukha kang fancy.
Mali, mali. Okay.
Ay, tinitingnan. Tapos nakikita mo, nag-iisip siya. For how many nights?
For just, gusto mo yun siya kay Orpheus. Well, how much is one night?
Tapos tumingin siya kay Orpheus. Si Orpheus din tinitingnan niya from head to toe. Tapos nakita niya yung pointy ears. Looks like an elf.
Nagsalita si Javier.
Mm-hmm.
Please apologize to my fellow men, okay? Can you lend us a room that for a precious like us na biglang tinignan ni biglang tinuro ni because my daughter here is sick and we need a room that
Okay,
will be a that my daughter here is sick and we need a room for her to rest. Tas nag-beat na si Lorax, nag-acting siya. Nag-uubo-ubo.
Okay. Okay. Mag-roll ka ng persuasion. Okay, tinitingnan ka niya. Alam mo yun, squint na yung eyes niya. Your daughter is sick.
Nice.
19.
Oh, alright
Nice.
then. I may be grumpy, but I'm not mean or heartless.
Thank you.
Yeah, one stays, one gold for the rest of you.
Tumingin
Sabi
siya
niya.
kay Astrea.
Hindi
Alam mo
mo,
yung
it's outside.
bumulong yung tavern guy. Well, I was going to ask for more, but
Your
I'm not.
turn,
Oh,
no, Astrea.
you're expecting me to pay. Okay, fine. Tapos tawag doon,
Anything else?
naglagay ng 1 gold si Asya. How about food?
Yeah, we
Is
have
it
ale.
included?
We have ale. We have bread loaf. We have meat. We have wine.
Oh,
Give
What do you
wine.
want?
Nice.
give us the opposite of your finest wine.
The opposite, you mean the
Yeah,
shittiest wine?
the shittiest wine is the
What?
most, not less expensive wine.
Hindi masaya si Astria.
Or, kaya, nag, tumingin siya
Tumingin siya kaya
what? Tapos
what?
Yeah, it's for
tawag doon,
copper each. It's for a copper each.
What, Taslia? Do you not drinking a shittiest wine? Did you know the shittiest wine has the
I've
most
never,
flavor than all of the wine?
I've never tasted one.
You are now gonna taste one. Bring us your opposite
The
of
wine
your
has
bring us your shittiest wine, Mister.
Yeah, I will serve you the shittiest wine for 4 copper each. Each mug.
Astrea?
for
Okay?
copper.
Kita niyo nag-ano siya? Nag-refill siya ng mga
You
mugs
want
yan.
me to,
Sinerve niya sa inyo. Tig-iisa kayong mug ng shittiest wine.
you,
Ininom ni
you want
ano,
me to pay for a shitty wine?
ininom ni
Shittiest.
ano, ni tawag nito, ni Javier. Ug, 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 ug.
Lasang, alam mo, lasang panis na grape.
That's
Lasang panis
that's
na grape.
that's the spirit. Na ano, parang
Andyan ah.
sobrang content si Javier dyan sa ano, sa gilid.
Sabi ni Asya pagkatihim niya, this should be illegal.
Alam mo, parang feeling ko tuloy parang tumingin siya muna kay ano, tapos tinignan niya ulit. Tapos may mga langaw na umaano. May mga
May,
langaw na
may, lumulutang,
Your view.
may lumulutang pa ng mga insekto sa
What? Are you
Si
not
Orpheus
drinking
ininom
that?
niya lang ng walang problema. I'm fine
Tapos,
for the isang sip lang si Asya tapos inalis niya na agad. Can I have the finest?
ay, one for me then, kinuha ni Javier, tapos ininom niya. Ug, ug, ug.
finest wine for you, young lady. Sabi ni Scam Socks. Tinitingnan ka niya ulit from head to toe. I can, do you want the finest wine bottle? The most expensive I have here is 10 gold. Tapos pinakita niya sa'yo yung wine na may, alam mo yung may
Pwede ko
gold, pa? May gold, pa, inlays. Yung bottle.
si Orpheus
This,
habang umiinom,
there's only 3 of these wine existing in the whole Icewind Dale. You don't want to miss a 10 gold bottle.
Here's only three?
May bad.
Si
No,
Orpheus pinigilan si Asya. Parang nilagay niya yung kamay niya doon sa shoulder ni Asya tapos nag-shake ng head.
tinignan na lang,
Well, a wine for you is 2 silver. Sabi niya.
tinignan nitong ni Javier yung matanda.
I'll
Bad.
take the 2 silver
Please
then.
don't scam my friend here, okay? I know this whole shenanigans and that goal is fake.
I'm not scumming. I am asking her. I am just advertising my products. And she do
Oh,
like some elegant girl. Sabi niya. She doesn't look like the type who likes to drink shitty wine like you. Sabi niya.
I mean, you are selling a fake advertisement.
I'm not
You're telling me that is gold. Look at the print. That's fake. That's fake, you know. I know a gold if I see one.
Okay.
Ik-
Tinitigan ka ng masama nung tavern. Yung name ng tavern si Scam Sacks. Name niya Scam Sacks. Just in case. Scam Sacks na lang yung tawag sa kanya para madali. Tinitigan ka
Okay.
niya masama,
Scam
tapos binababa niya yung bottle. Alright, fine then. 1 silver a wine.
Tinignan
How
lang
about
niya,
that?
tinignan lang niya ulit yung matanda na parang,
1 silver a wine.
you sure about that?
That's the best I can offer. You can ask everyone.
Yung,
I
yung
mean,
paabot na si Astria ng 1 silver tapos umuurong.
Kasi kita niyo may bumibili dito. May bumibili ng wine, tapos 1 silver lang na binibigay niya para sa isang bottle. Ay, sa isang mug. Tapos ano, alam mo, tinititigan ka lang ng masama ni Scrum Sack habang inaabot niya yung wine. See? 1 silver.
Why do you
1
want that
silver.
finest wine if you can just drink this shittiest wine, huh? I mean, that tastes great.
Fine, do whatever you want, sabi niya.
Bigay si Asya ng 1 silver. The
Okay,
wine,
sabi
please.
niya.
Di din tinignan niya yung nakita ko si Asta niya, tinignan niya yung yung parang wine. Tapos bigla siya nagsabi ng
Oo,
ganyan.
yung city wine.
Parang,
Paminus na lang ng silver and 4 copper each sa inyo. Sinerva niya ng
Okay,
wine.
4 cups per each.
well, sabi niya,
Okay.
well, ang tawag din,
Okay.
yung more for me
Yung,
then.
kailangan pa ba namin
More for
Ayan.
Can you bring a milk for my daughter if you have
we don't sell milk
any
in
kiddie drink?
Icewindale. We have
Oh, yeah.
juice.
How old is your daughter?
Yeah, can you bring me a juice for my little girl?
Juice is free, sabi niya.
Thank you.
Even though grumpy si Scrum Sacks, may soft heart siya sa mga bata. So, he just give him.
Ah, how
Tanyo,
old is
may,
your daughter? Sabi niyo, Orpheus.
ano?
How old is your daughter?
My daughter
Sabi ni Orpheus.
is 12 years old.
12.
Nagkarinig na bumubulong si Scrum Sacks kasi naririnig niya, that's not a kid at all.
Kid.
To be honest, I don't know what her age, but from I think 10
You
to
don't
12
know?
years old. Yeah.
Binago So sabi ni Orpheus, I'm surprised she can carry those around.
Yeah.
Yung yung mga weapon ni Laura.
Yeah, my daughter here is very strong. Strong.
Yeah, she is. I saw.
Hmm?
I saw how she fight. I saw how she fights.
Ah, shit. Got out of the
Tapos,
bag, I guess.
tapos, anong oras na ba?
Okay, so magde-decide ba kayo na mag-chill lang muna dito? I can proceed with the narration if mag-chill kayo dyan.
Pwede naman siguro. Let's go to the lore.
Okay,
Yeah.
habang nag-chill kayo dyan. Wait a sec. Okay, just another gruesome day in 10 towns. Howling wind, bitter cold, foul tempers, and snow drifts. Ano? Dala. And snow drifts big enough to bury a herd of moose. But today, the local tavern is abuzz with news about a series of recent killings. Before the murders, the only question in everyone's mind was, will Summer ever return to Icewind Dale? Now the question is, will I be the next killer's victim? Nothing breeds fear and paranoia like a murderer with no face. 3 cold-blooded murders have been committed in the past month. A halfling trapper in East Haven, a human shipbuilder in Targos, and 3 days ago, a dwarf glass blower in Brinshander. Each victim was found with a dagger of ice through the heart. What's the connection? The drunken lot huddled in the tavern offers no credible ideas, but sitting apart from them is an elderly shield dwarf with a nasty scar across her nose, who looks like she has something worth knowing. She's been smoking her pipe and eyeing you ever since you walked in. Okay, summarize ko
Okay.
yun. So, habang nag-uusap kayo dyan, narinig nyo yung mga nag-uusap na tavern dito, pinag-uusapan nila yung recent na namatay recent murders na
Mm.
nagaganap these past months. And palagi silang makikita na may dagger ng ice sa heart. And they have no idea who it is. Walang witness, walang kahit ano. They have no idea. Maliban sa isang dwarf na tinitigan kayo habang sinismoke niya yung pipe niya.
Parang nag-uusap-usap sila dyan, tapos sabi ni Evier,
Okay.
that, that corpse earlier on outside, it's weird, right? I mean,
No, it's actually, see,
sige lang.
they said that, okay. They say it's always a nice dagger in the heart, so it's connected. And the guard said it's connected to the evidence.
I mean, it's very
Kasi, no?
dangerous for our children or for your family to stroll around with that murder. I mean, I just wish the girl
Yeah.
would just caught the murderer, say.
Or considering that they're still talking about it, maybe the murder hasn't been caught yet. Tapos, napansin ba nila yung dwarf?
Like, literal
Napansin niya.
tinititigan niya kayo sa other side.
I'm gonna kill that dwarf.
Oo.
It's if she is not if he not
Hindi siya,
stop
hindi nila
staring
kayo
us.
tinititigan ng masama. Hindi niya tinititigan ng masama. Tinititigan niya. Parang yung observer kayo.
Pinistop lang ni Orpheus sino
Okay,
ba yung
nice yun.
nagsasalita? Si Xavier?
Javier.
Si Javier ba yung nagsasalita? Okay,
Sinasabi niya.
parang hinarangan ni Orpheus si Javier. Okay, let me. Tapos
Okay.
hinitian ni Orpheus tong dwarf. Hello there. Do you wish to speak with us? Why are you staring?
Sabi niya, it's been a while since I've seen adventurers in the tavern. Sabi niya. Tapos tumingin siya sa paligid, tapos nakikita niya halos lahat ng tao. Alam mo yung naka-coat, gutay-gutay yung suot, walang weapon. Most of them parang takot kasi
Ah,
may recent killing. Tapos iniisip pa nila yung baka mabunot sila sa sacrifice. Parang mga depressed yung mga tao dito, maliban sa
oo. Okay. Yeah, we're just passing by.
Where are
So
you
why
from?
is that?
Where are you from? Sabi
Um,
niya.
sabi ni Astria, so I'm from Waterdeep. Tapos sabi ni Orpheus, oh, I'm from the other town, Targos.
Water deep eh. So you're trapped here. Lucky you, sabi niya. Tapos narinig mo tumawa siya. Lucky you, there's no going out.
Lucky
Yeah,
us, I
well,
guess.
lucky me. Sabi ni Astria sarcastically.
Well, is your team taking commissions?
I'm
Something.
here just to sell
Mission.
fish.
Selfish.
Okay.
Sabi niya, I don't see any fish. Just tumingin siya sa'yo.
Tumingin siya dun sa
What kind of
matanda.
mission?
Well,
I,
you're drinking a shitty wine. It appears you're struggling a bit with gold. Sabi niya. Tapos naglabas siya ng pouch of gold.
I'm not very fond
Narinig
with
niya,
your gold.
So, sabi ni Astria, no, I'm not broke. Tapos tinawanan siya ni Orpheus.
100 gold. 100 gold. To find the killer. Sabi niya.
100
To find the
gold will
killer.
not be much will not be equal by finding the killer. Okay? You want us to risk our life for what? 100 gold? Are you serious? Even I can just sell fish and get 100 gold from a week. And you
So
want to give
are
us
you sure
100
about
gold
that?
Maybe
Sabi
only.
niya.
so.
Are you sure about that? Well, I can also give
Sabi,
you a bunch of gems. So 100 gold on top of that is 50 gold. Give 50 gold worth of gems. How about that? Just find the killer.
uh, tapos sabi ni Astria, 100 gold, huh?
To
What
meet,
kind of gems?
Well, pinakita niya sa inyo yung mga bunch of gems. Upon inspection, mo silang valuable gems na you can sell higher than 50 gold if you barter.
Okay. Tapos
tumingin,
sneakily lang tinignan ni Astra yung wallet niya. Kasi,
Are you
tinig,
not scared?
pa-
Sabi niya sabi nung dwarf.
tinignan pala ni Laura si Javier. Tapos sabi ni Javier, no, we're not gonna do that, okay? I mean, it's too dangerous for you. Parang tumingin lang ulit si Lorax. As I said, we're not gonna do that. Okay, fine.
tapos ano,
Do what
sabi,
you want.
Tinititigan lang kayo ng matanda.
Uh,
Anyways, my name is Helene.
ano?
Celine?
Helene. H-L-I-N.
Helene ka
Helene.
lang, Celine.
Alin.
If
Akala
you
na
want to
yun.
if you want to capture the killer, I will always be here. I know information that no one else knows. And you can't trust the guards either. Sabi niya. You
May
can't
I ask
trust
you
the
something?
Clear.
What is it?
How many adventure did you ask now?
You're the first one. The
Ah,
group. Your group is the first one. I've been
You're the
sitting here
first
for
one.
yes, I've been sitting here for a whole month.
nakakita ko ba siya
Wait,
How come?
naglalay o hindi? Like yung,
no, she looks genuine.
okay,
She
okay.
looks genuine.
Sabi
Kasi
ni Orpheus, how come
nakikita niyo
the...
sa scars sa face niya, mukha siyang adventurer. Nakita niyo naka-armor siya. Mukha siyang adventurer. Pero ang problema, siya.
Sabi ni Orpheus, how come the guards haven't caught the killer yet?
Who
Or
knows?
are they somehow trying to cover it up?
Probably. Well,
Tapos ano,
accepted
sabi ni
steps,
ano,
I will tell you more.
kinukulit na ni Astrea si Orpheus, let's just do it.
Wait,
He
I
made
have
the
something
100
to
kills.
ask. I mean, why are you very, why are you insisting or why are you insisting to find this killer?
Because I worry for the people. Have you
Yeah.
seen them? Tapos nakita mo yung mga tao, alam mo yung depressed. Like, pinoproblema na nga nila yung weather, pinoproblema na nila yung sacrifices sa raffles every month. Tapos now, may killer. Pinoproblema din nila yung killer.
You're really, eh?
Like,
What's in it for you? Sabi ni Astrea, what's in it for you? Why do you care so
I
much about these people?
just have a good heart. I used to be an adventurer, like you.
Are you
Helping people
sure?
is what keeps me going.
Lumapit si Javier dun sa matan. Do you have no desire?
Ano?
Sabi ni Javier, don't you have any desire?
Well, my desire is to help people, that is. Sabi niya. Well, I did some things based on said desires, which is why I am here in Icewind Dale.
Okay, fine. What do you think,
Yes.
Lorax? Tumingin siya kay Lorax. Walang imek. My daughter said that she wants to do it. What do you guys want? Tumingin siya kay Orpheus, pati kay Astrea.
You
Yeah,
have
I
some
guess we could use the
agency.
gold. Sabi ni Orpheus. Yeah, I need more gold. Sabi ni Astrea.
Gold is hard to come by in Icewind Dale, and I happen to have a lot of them. Sabi ni Lynn.
Yeah, we can see that. Sabi ni Astrea. I'm also running out.
Okay, young
And I
woman.
still have a lot to buy.
Okay, accept yung quest niya.
Tumingin siya kay Tumingin siya
Mm-mm.
dun sa mga dwarf. Okay, young child, we're gonna accept that.
Okay? Bigla siyang nag-lean. In-invite niya kayo sa table niya. Pinaupo niya kayo sa table niya. And nag-lean forward siya sa inyo as if hiding the information from everyone.
Okay.
Sepek Caltro. Bigla siya nag-name drop.
Pecaltro.
Sepelka.
Sepek Caltro.
Sorry. Sepekal.
Sepephek. Tapos Kaltro. Sepek Caltro.
Sepicaltro.
Sepekal. Okay.
He works for a
Okay.
small traveling merchant company called Dorgs. It is owned and
Dorgs.
operated by a shady dwarf named Torga Icebeam.
Okay.
Ice
In
twigs.
other words, Sepek gets around. He's charming, makes friends easily. He's also Torga's bodyguard. So I'm guessing he's good with the blade. His victims come from the only 3 towns that sacrifice people to the Frost Maiden. This is what passes for civilized behavior in Icewind Dale. Maybe the victims found a way to keep their names out of drawing. Sepek found out they were cheating. So he killed them. Tapos nag-shrug siya. Maybe, just maybe, Sepek is just doing the Frost Maiden's work. Or maybe he's doing it for fun. And all of this are coincidence. I don't know.
So let
I
me.
followed Thor. Yes, I followed Thor for a 10 day. I can assure you, every city they went, there is at least one murder that happens every month.
So let me summarize what you said. This Sepecaltro you're saying is the killer, right? And he was working for the merchant company called Dirks, eh?
Torgs.
Dorks.
Sorry.
Torg.
Okay,
Torg.
I'm just gonna call it Dorks.
Torgs.
It's either him or the dwarf Torga, but
And
Torga is an old lady. And Sepek seems to be good with the blade.
that Sepecaltro you're saying is working for the Ice Twigs, eh?
Yeah, for Torga Ice Vein.
Ice Vein.
Ice Vein.
Torga
So,
ice cream.
So, bale, si Sepek Caltro, bodyguard siya ni Torga Ice Vein. Si Torga Ice Vein yung nag-ooperate no merchant company na nagta-travel sa cities.
So, do you have any
Sabi niya,
plans?
Sa travels.
So sabi niya, napansin niya nung sinundan niya yung merchant company na dumadaan sila sa 3 city. And yung 3 city na yun, sila lang yung nagsisacrifice ng tao sa Frost Maiden. And for some reason, every new moon, and alam nyo, every new moon may sinasacrifice na tao. Lagi may namamatay. Pero hindi yung guy na nakasulat sa lottery. So, laging hindi natutuloy yung lottery. Dahil kay Sepek Caltro.
So, iba yung isa-sacrifice.
Oo.
Okay.
So, sabi niya, na-observe niya every time na, kunyari, magbubunot ng sacrifice per the month. After nun, shortly, may mamamatay na iba.
Okay. Kasi Torga, old lady siya na.
It's an old lady, na dwarf. Shady dwarf.
Dwarf. Shady dwarfs.
Nawala na naman ako.
Lin looks like... Wala, nadisi ka ba?
Hindi, okay lang.
Okay. Lin looks like she's very sure na si Sepek Caltro yun. Nakikita niya yung determination sa mukha niya.
Okay. Bakit nga, I mean, why did you mention Torga?
Nag-work si Sepek Caltro under Torga.
Okay.
Parang si Sepek Caltro yung bodyguard ni Torga. Si Torga yung may-ari ng merchant company na Torgs.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where he is now, I don't know. I've been too injured to follow further. Just nakita niyo yung leg niya.
Oh, so
It's frost
what?
night and you're like,
Where is
That's
where's the most
such
recent
uns
killing?
that's unfortunate.
right here, sabi niya. Recent
In
killing is right
Vinshander?
here a few days ago, here in Brinchander.
So, do you have any plans to for the first step, eh?
Oh, what does difficulty look like?
I have I have no idea. He seems to be hiding his face all the time. But there's something weird about him. Looks somewhat too comfortable in the weather. He doesn't wear a coat, he doesn't wear a scarf, he doesn't wear gloves. It was like the
Okay,
cold couldn't touch him.
the
That's
comfortable with the water. And he
Maybe the
always
frost
has his
didn't bless him
face.
for some reason. I know.
Okay, so he always has his face covered,
Yes.
except for the body.
Yes.
Um, okay. Maybe it's not hard to spot a person like that. I mean, most of most of the people here are wearing coats.
Yes. Yeah, I'm sure you can find sa Pecatro very easily if you put an effort to.
Okay. So if we do find this healer, what do you want us to do with him? Do you want us to kill him, or do you just want to apprehend him?
Both. Either way is fine.
Both.
Sabi niya. Just don't involve the authorities. You cannot trust them as well. As far as I know, if it is connected with the lottery, the government wouldn't be so happy.
I
huh.
see. Alright then. Kasi nga, sinulat lang ni Orpheus yung lahat.
I'm afraid that's all I can give you. Sabi niya.
To be the player. Okay, okay.
Just come back and
Is
give me
there a
something once the deed
hmm?
is done. Sabi niya.
Okay. Well, is there a particular times when he kills?
Usually it's always the night of the new moon. Sabi niya.
The night of the new moon?
Oo. So, ang new
Okay.
moon, ibig sabihin nun sa D&D is next month. So, kakakil niya lang
Next month.
kakakil niya lang few days ago. So, next month ng few nights, paulit mangyayari yun.
Okay, okay. And tuwing kailan may sacrifice?
Yun na, every month,
Every
every
new month. Okay, okay, every month.
new moon, or every month.
Okay, okay. So maybe we could get some clues by knowing who's in the lottery.
Well,
Or
if you can get hold of the lottery, everyone's names are in there, sabi niya. So you basically have everyone's name in the lottery.
mhm. Okay, but okay, okay, okay,
The
okay.
probab
Right,
the I think the
okay, do you have any more questions?
probability of finding that man in the lottery is very low. Is there
Suggest
any
my
possible
suggestion
thing
is to find the merchant company.
in where we
Yes.
where can we
Sword.
find that
Is that sword?
merchant family, eh?
Right now, I don't know where they're heading. I leave it up to you.
Do you have any
Mm.
any clue for where we can start or person that we can ask to, eh?
Maybe you can ask the blacksmith. He's been buying some. I I heard he's been buying some iron
Okay.
from the company. since the iron are not arriving for some reason. Sabi niya.
Okay.
Oh, okay, we'll ask around. Sabi ni Orpheus.
Thank you. Tapos, binigyan niya kayo ng 50 gold, parang advance pay
Wow.
Ah, nice.
here for the travel. In case you needed to eat.
Tukunin na dapat ni Astria pero hinatak ni Orpheus.
You're very trusting.
Okay.
Okay.
Yung gold.
Okay, kayo na bahala maghati ng 50 gold yan or kanino niyo ibibigay.
Okay, okay. Well, tawag doon, sabi, I'll take hold of it for now, but you can take it from me anytime you want. Sabi ni Orpheus specifically kay Xavier at saka kay Lorax.
Okay.
We
Alright.
So,
Ang gagawin niyo.
okay,
we just
we
need
should
to
go to
stay
the
for all night.
blacksmith.
You want to get out of
Kaya
here
maaga pa,
fast.
maaga pa. Maaga pa naman.
I
Yeah,
think
it's still,
worry.
it's still early. You can still ask around.
okay.
By the way,
Pupunta kayo
sabi niya sabi nung ni old lady, di ba?
Wait lang.
Usually dun sa 3 towns kung saan may sacrifice.
Yeah, so far.
So far. Okay, sige. Punta tayo kay blacksmith. Blacksmith.
Yeah, antayin natin siya.
Kaya humalis na.
Hello, we're back.
Hello.
Nangyari?
Okay, pupunta kayo sa blacksmith.
Sige, sure.
Uh-huh.
We're just gonna follow this too.
Okay. Sumunod. Okay, pumunta kayo. Ay, malapit lang naman yung blacksmith. I mean, nakita na yun ni Ashria kanina. So, may idea na siya kung saan.
Sinuot ulit ni
Okay.
Javier yung helmet niya. Yung tabo.
Okay, after few steps, nakita niyo tong gnome working on something. Tapos naririnig niyo siyang, yeah, he's a gnome. Naririnig niyo siyang,
Okay.
oh, wait.
Yung tulong beard niya.
Okay, naririnig niyo siya. Those ingots are still not here. What do you mean they are delayed? Tapos, nakita niyo may kausap siya na what appears is tatlong dwarves. Tapos, tong isang dwarves,
Mhm.
narinig niyo, kino-convince niya yung blacksmith. I'm telling you, it's stolen. We have no idea. Tapos nakikita niyo yung dalawang dwarves. Yung isa, sobrang takot. Nakikita niyo nanginginig siya. And yung isa, constantly siyang tumitingin sa langit. In fear. Sa gagalit sa kanya. Gagalit sa kanila yung gnome. I waited 10 days for those ingots. I even bought those ingots, those damn ingots, for double the price in some shady merchant few minutes ago.
Tapos lumapit yung MPR.
Tapos narinig niya, sorry lang yung dwarves.
You know. Did you say anything about wheeled merchant?
Welcome to the Blackron Blades. What merchant? Nice to meet you sa'yo.
You say
You mean
to
me?
these two dwarfs that... Wait, yung ba yung nagsalita na ano? O yung dalawang... Sino yung nagsabi na ano? Nung may weird dwarf siyang nabilin?
Yung blacksmith mismo. Yung gnome na blacksmith.
Okay. Yun yung sasabi na. You just say earlier, you're just telling these two dwarf earlier that you bought some ingot to this weird
Yeah, because
merchants.
they didn't brought me that damn ingot I ordered that 10 day ago. Nakikita niyo yung mukha niya sobrang frustrated. Stress na stress siya. Tapos yung tatlong dwarf, takot na takot. Tapos yung isang dwarf, tinatry niya lang yung best na explain sa kanya. Why na-delay yung ingot. Tapos sinisigawan lang sila nung blacksmith.
So do you know where? Do you know who? So do you know who's the merchant that you bought the ingot with?
Yeah, it's the Torgs. What do you mean?
The Torgs.
Yes,
So you don't know where they are right now.
2 times the price for some reason.
So you bought ingots from them 10 days ago. Sabi ni Orphe.
Well, I ordered the ingots from these dumb dwarves 10 days ago, and they are still not here, so I am forced few days ago to buy from Torgs, double the price.
They double the price.
So where did you put the ingot, huh? Dwarfs?
Ano?
See,
Sinabi no,
do you know where the words are now?
Wait lang, isa-isa.
so where did so where did you put?
Sabi niya, so do you know where the tours are now?
Well, I heard where they're going. Why do you need to know? Tumingin siya sa inyo.
Sabi niya, sabi ni Orphe, well, I'm going to buy from them. I heard they have like
Yeah,
tawag dito.
to me by
They have goods that they can bought from anywhere else.
Okay? Tiningnan ka lang ng masama nung gnome, tapos tumingin siya kay Javier. Sasabi ni Javier.
uh we're on the same with you. We're gonna buy a ingot from that merchant because some dwarfs also, you know, also lost our things. Not
Tapos tapos tumingin siya sinabihan niya kayo, I don't have time for this. Tapos tumingin siya sa mga dwarves ulit, nakipag-argue siya ulit sa mga dwarves, sa same issue, bakit di dumadating yung ingots niya, and everything, and those 3 dwarves na takot in-explain sa kanya kung anong nangyari, pero hindi nila matapos yung sentence.
you're scaring the
As if
dwarfs.
as if he doesn't care about the 4 of you. Okay, tumingin siya sa inyo. Well, unless you're buying, I won't tell you any info.
Okay,
Kasi pag-away ulit
Okay.
ng mga dwarves.
I mean, you're scaring the dwarf. How they gonna tell you what's
I'm not
What if
scaring the dwarves. They are already scared for no bloody reason.
okay?
Tapos
Let me
nakikita
talk
niya
to
tong
them.
dwarves.
I'm gonna resolve your
But-
problem.
Okay?
Tumingin
wait,
siya
sorry,
dun
I'm
sa
not
dwarf.
told then. Go.
Okay, nakita mo tong 3 stocky figures. Kasal sila ng weather garb. Tumingin sila sa inyo.
Wait lang. Ano ba pwede kong ma-use dito? Uh,
Well met, friend. I'm Runa. And this is my friends, Korux and Storm. Well,
so
So what happened?
if you can help us, no one seems to be listening to us. So
So what did happen?
nakikita niyo muna yung isa niyang friend, si Korux. Nagsistar lang siya in silence and hindi nagsasalita. Wala yung tatlo niyang finger and toes dahil sa frostbite. Nakita niya nagbablack yan. Kasi isa pang dwarf, si Storm, parang nagtatremble siya in fear, tapos continuously siyang nag-glance up sa sky. Every minute. Well,
Hey,
okay.
tapos
Sino yung
pumunta,
nag-ask ko?
si Orpheus. So what did happen to the ingots?
We're actually, we're the survivor of a group of dwarves tasked with delivering a sled of iron ingots to here. but a creature surprised us and killed a member of our group. The rest of us fled, and this creature basta kita mo yung fear sa eyes niya. He tore Ubok limb from limb. Now we need someone to go back and get the sled for us. As payment, we can offer you each a gemstone. It's not much, but our friend is in there, torn apart, and we badly need the sled and the ingots.
Okay. Tapos sabi ni Orpheus, tumingin siya dito sa blacksmith. So how about he made a deal?
Now you're going to believe there's
Bidding?
a story about the iron. I'm sure they scammed me. I'm sure they just stole my gold and said the iron is stolen or something.
Well, we can check it out for you. Sabi ni Orpheus. Well, if it came out true, we can get you those ingots in exchange for information.
Sure, go
What say
grab.
you?
I don't care whatever you do as long as you bring me those ingots.
Alright then. Sabi ni
Those
Orpheus.
ingots are worth a lot of gold. Kasi kita niyo yung mukha niya, parang yung business niya nakasalalay sa ingots na yun.
Sa
Well,
ingot.
2 birds in a 1 stone, eh?
Yes. Tapos sabi ni Astria, why do you keep looking up? Sabi niya dun sa yung tumitingin sa taas.
Okay, sabi ni Huruna, yung nag-iisang dwarf na nakakapagsalita sa kanila. He have a terrible fear of dragons. You know?
Dragon.
Dragons.
Yes, he's a little
What kind of creature attacked you?
he's been like that for it's big,
What kind?
hairy. It's big, hairy, definitely not scaly and flying. It's not a dragon, don't worry.
Okay.
Big, hairy monster. I haven't seen that monster sorry. I haven't seen that monster yet. It's the first time I've seen it. It's very brutal. Kill their
Scary.
friend.
I guess that's not a death flag for us. That's for sure
Ano
not a death.
sabi?
That's for sure not a death flag for us. Wait, naintindihan ba ako? Or medyo parang ano lang?
Okay naman.
Okay.
Nagsasabay lang kayo minsan sa akin, kaya nalilito ako.
Okay. Hirap kasi pag Discord no?
Okay. Ganito na lang. Tatanungin ko na lang kayo isa-isa susunod.
Okay.
Sino
Sige.
para hindi kayo nagsasabay.
Sige. Okay, tapos...
Okay, may ask ba si Orpheus? Si Orpheus na nag-ask, no?
Oo. Tapos sabi niya, can you at least lead us there?
It's just a little bit far away from the gate, sabi niya. We can lead you there, but tumingin si Haruna sa dalawa niyang friends na sobrang takot.
You can
can't
just
leave these two.
You can just show us the way.
You can just point out. You can just point us.
Yeah,
the
I
place.
will point the way. Thank you. Sabi niya.
You don't need
Tas
to
narinig niyo
follow us.
Narinig niyo tong blacksmith, sabi niya. If you did bring those ingots to me, and if those three are really saying the truth, tas nakikita niyo yung mukha niya parang medyo umaamo konti. Because so far, akala niya ini-scam siya ng tatlo. Parang suspicious pa rin siya, pero nagiging na siya, medyo iniisip niya, baka totoo yung sinasabi ng tatlo to. Ang sabi niya, if you did bring me those damn ingots, I will bring you to Torg. Sabi niya.
That's a win-win. Win-win
Hmm.
situation.
Kasi ngumiti lang si Orpheus kay ano, kay Blacksmith. Tapos pa niya kung ano name niya.
Hindi niyo pa tinatanong yung name niya.
So, what's your name, by the way? Sabi ni Orpheus.
My name is Garn.
Garn.
Yes. I sell, I
Alright.
sell, I sell weapons and armors. Tapos nakikita niyo yung, yung weapons sa armor niya. Alam mo yung sobrang bad quality.
Mm.
Okay.
Hayop.
Sobrang pangit. Yeah, sobrang pangit yung quality. But he's trying his best. Parang nababroke na siya, tapos wala pa yung ingots niya. So yeah,
Kawawa
medyo high blood
naman.
siya.
Kawawa naman. That's
I will
why.
much appreciate it if you can bring me the iron, and I will sure to bring it to Torgs. But I do know they're in the different town by now, sabi niya. And you can't go there without a sled.
What a slim.
Oh, Aslet.
Sled. Kala ko slim.
Oo. So nag-o-offer siya na pag binalik niyo nga sa kanya yung ingots, dadalhin niya kayo sa isa pang
Dadalhin.
town kung saan niyang alam pumunta yung
Alright.
Torg. And may sled siya to do
Oh,
that.
Okay. I guess we're
oh,
gonna
sige.
find that ingot.
Okay. Oh, okay. We'll check it out. Sabi ni Orpheus. No, Ruka, tama.
Runa.
Pang Runa. Si
Huna na
Runa.
lang. Huna.
Okay.
Huna.
Runa.
Okay?
Okay. Now,
Okay,
Tina,
pupunta
can
na
you
kayo?
lead us the
Na,
way?
pupunta na.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Sinamahan kayo ni Huna sa may gate. Sa other side siya ng Bryn Sander. So far,
Okay.
hindi naman ganun ka-strict yung guards pag may lumalabas and may pumapasok. So, hindi na kayo disturb ng guards.
Okay.
Tapos
Sila na namin.
tinuro ni Runa yung dwarf. Just walk straight ahead, follow the path, and you will find the sled. Hopefully you find their friend as well.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, daling ko kayo sa mangat.
Tapos. Alright.
Time to kill.
Whatever it is.
Kaya low level pa
It
lang
is
naman
it.
kayo. Level 1 pa lang kayo. Huwag kayo magala. Chill pa to, chill.
Kaya
Okay.
chill daw
Muntik
yung
kami
wolf.
mamatay sa wolves, pero okay.
Chill, chill. Mm-mm.
We're gonna talk our way
Kaya,
out.
uh, wait a sec. Okay.
Simple lang.
Okay na, dito na kayo.
10
Can see.
minutes. Wait lang, loading. Yep, I can see. This is the sled.
It's sure cold out here.
Si Astro yung balot na balot nung coat niya. Si Orpheus chill lang.
Okay.
Kahit nilalamig siya, chill lang siya.
Okay, as usual, habang sinusundan niyo yung trail, may blizzard. Pero it's not too far. It's not too far ng paglalakad niyo sa trail. May nakita kayo na sled.
Okay.
And a body.
And the body. Okay, sa paligid ni Orpheus, pwede ba akong investigate kung what kind of monster yung pwedeng i-face nila, kung may tracks ba or anywhere?
Yeah. Sige. Sige, roll ka ng
Mag-
survival.
survival.
Ito,
Survival.
ito na lang request ko sa iyo.
Sige. Ay, nag-roll na ako.
Okay.
12.
So,
Okay. The snow-covered ridge. Oh, you see in the snow-covered ridge, yung dismembered corpse dito?
Mm.
Kita niyo yung katawan niya hati. As
Oh
in, wala
shit.
yung kalahati niya.
Damn.
The snow covers some of the gory bits. So na-blessan kayo ni Aurel para hindi makita yung ibang gory bits.
Okay.
So wala yung ano niya, torso lang siya, tapos wala rin yung head. Literal na torso lang siya.
Jesus
What?
Christ.
Wala rin yung limbs niya.
This is very brutal.
Okay. Sa
Yeah,
tabi
it
lang niya,
is.
may nakikita kayo na tracks. Si
Mhm.
Orpheus, tingnan natin kung ano yung knowledge mo sa you see, ilan ba? 3 types ng footprints.
Okay.
3 types ng footprints. Yung isa, sure ka na polar bear footprints.
Polar bear.
Yung isa,
Okay.
parang maliliit na footprints. Di mo ma-discern kasi they appear to be wearing shoes. Parang different shoes. Snow
Okay.
shoe.
These are dwarves. These
Well,
are,
you can't really know
you
kung
can,
shoes yun ang or ano.
or something else.
Yeah, basta shoes. And
More
yung
shoes.
isa is malaking paa, as in malaking footprint.
I mean,
Big footprint.
Mas fresh since okay naman yung role mo. Mas fresh yung maliliit na shoe prints pati yung bear kaysa dun sa malaking footprint na isa. Na hindi mo ma-discern kung anong creature yun. Never
So,
seen it before.
pinakaluma yung malaki.
Mm.
Pinakaluma yung malaki.
Oo,
Okay.
parang medyo half covered na siya ng snow. So, hindi mo masyado ma-discern. And
Okay.
it's a trail leading somewhere.
Living somewhere. Yung yung mga footprints ako.
Yes.
Where does it
And wala na
lead
yung
to?
iron.
Wala na yung iron.
Yes, wala yung iron dyan.
ng iron.
Ah,
Ay!
yung iron ingot.
Si Fuyo
oh,
nga
yung
pala.
iron ingots.
Okay, sabi ni Orpheus,
Ilalagay ka na sa
it
tavern
might have
para
been
safe.
stolen. Ha?
Sige.
Hindi, si Fuyo yung aso natin. Pinapakain ko lang dun sa tavern.
Ah, okay.
Hmm.
Okay, okay.
Nilagay mo muna
Well,
dun sa
sabi
inyo.
niya, sabi ni Orpheus, it might have been stolen, but there are tracks here. I can only assume that whatever creature or creatures whose track belongs these two are the ones who stolen it. Sabi niya na. Ni Orpheus.
We can follow the tracks. Let's just lay low for now.
Nice. Nandun
Camouflage
yung
to
track.
the snow.
Yeah, before we lose it, we should follow it.
Okay.
Because the ingots are not here anymore. Before we're too late.
By the way, di kami
Sabi ni
makalakad ah.
Orpheus.
Nakalak.
Eh?
Ayan.
Ayan. Okay na. Sige. Sabihin niyo sa akin
Okay.
kung ipa-follow niyo yung footprints.
Sige, pa-follow namin.
Si Orpheus yung follow niya yung footprint. Yeah. Follow nila yung
Okay.
footprint.
Okay. Ay, sige. Gusto niyo galawin or usog ko na lang kayo?
Sige, usad na lang.
Sige, saan ba?
Hindi.
Usog ko na lang kayo. Mama naman kayo. Bakit black and white yung view ni Astria? Naka-night vision ka ata. Wait lang.
Ako?
Ng basic. Ayan. Usog ko kayo. Sige, usog ko na lang kayo. Huwag na gumalaw.
Ah, sorry.
Calm
Sige.
down self. Calm down self. Okay. Kabot kayo dito. Okay. Not far.
Okay.
Not far. Huwag kayo magalan. Hindi kayo kita kasi medyo nakaangat. Not far.
Okay.
Kita niyo yung trail nag-lead dito, paikot dito. Nakikita niyo yung silhouette of what appears to be goblins. I mean, obvious naman yung silhouette ng goblins from afar.
Goblin yung isa.
Yeah. All 6 of them groan, grunt, and curse loudly as they haul the bulky sled towards what appears to be a 20-foot tall wagon parked in the snow.
Mm-hmm.
Harnessed to this conveyance are two roaring polar bears that don't look happy. So, nakikita nyo, may wait lang. Yeah, may 6 na goblins and 1 goblin sa harap. Itong isang goblin na to sa harap, niwiwip na yung dalawang polar bear na i-push tong wagon na tinay nila into. Kasi nakikita nyo sa wagon, pag sinilip nyo, alam mo yung may nagsha-shine na ingots sa loob.
Okay.
Kasi nagririnig nyo lang sila nagmumura, tapos ito, tinatry nilang itulak yung wagon. Ito, pinagmumura sila ng goblin na to. Come on, move faster, or else we're going to die in the blizzard. Tapos sabi ng isang goblin, then why are we bringing ingots? Tapos sabi niya, sabi ng isang goblin, because we are poor, we need ingots, you idiot.
Okay.
Tapos pinipilit na
Hanggang
itong mga
kailan pa niya.
itong 6 tinutulak lang to.
Okay.
Sobrang bagal nila. Sobrang bagal nila. Sobrang, yeah.
Okay.
So, di ko na,
Makikita ba kami pagpunta kami
Okay.
dito?
yeah, makikita kayo.
Okay, okay, okay.
So far, di naman kayo. Pwede naman kayo mag-stealth roll if trip nyo.
Sige,
Since pataas
Mm-mm.
naman to, hindi
sige,
naman kayo mapapansin.
sige,
Nag-stealth roll
mag-stealth
kayo.
row na lang kami. Like, nakahiga, pahiga. Mag-ano kami.
Okay.
Oo. Yung nagumagapang.
Oo.
Okay.
Sabi ko kay Orpheus and kay
Okay.
Astrea, can you untangle the polar bear?
Yeah, I'm on it. Tapos, alam mo si Orpheus, nag-conjure na siya ng mage hand. Tapos, yung binigay niya sa mage hand na yun yung dagger niya.
Okay.
Stealth, no? Skill.
Wait, mag-roll muna kayo stealth lahat.
Sige, sige.
Sige.
Wala ba kami advantage dahil sa task kami.
Yeah, normal lang.
Wait lang.
Orpheus rolled to
Normal
us.
lang. Since yan, snow causes noise. Wait.
I mean, sige.
Kiss me, Orpheus.
Wait lang. Mm,
We're supposed to be... You're supposed to
Ko?
be sneaky. What are you doing?
Stealth.
sneaky no more. Sneaky no more.
Pag mataas naman to si Astrea. Uy, not 20 si Astrea. Ay, si Lorax.
Nice. Kiss me, yung rogue natin. Siya pa
Rogue
yung
ba yan?
mababa.
Rogan lang.
Naka not 20 siya.
Okay. Ito yung itsura niya. Yeah, imagine nyo na lang may 6 na goblins yun. Pero yan yung itsura niya.
Ano yun?
Hindi nyo ba nakikita?
Ganyan.
Ayan.
Okay.
Okay. Isa lang pala yung nakadikit dun eh. Pwede natin isang slash lang. Shing!
Okay, ano yun? Patingin nga nung stealth nyo. 21, 13,
Not 20 si
3,
si Lorax.
9.
Pwede ba dahil naka not 20, tinulungan na lang si Habi?
Okay, hanggang saan ka? Hanggang saan ka, Orpheus?
Okay, hanggang... Saan ba? Sinundan niya kasi. Sila. So, hanggang dito.
Okay. Okay, alam mo yung ang smooth ng pagpunta dito ni Lorax. Tapos may marinig kayo na nagka-crunch siya, so si Orpheus papunta dyan. Pati si Javier naman, alam mo yung weapons niya, nagkakalang sa isa sila. Ching, 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 habang nagka-crawl papunta dyan.
Not much
Same kay Orpheus.
Not much rogue, Orpheus.
Tapos nakita niya tong mga goblin. Tumingin sila. Pero for some reason, hindi nila matanaw kung ano yung nasa taas dito. So sabi nila, nag-order to, stop, I hear something. Tapos, nagsalita tong isang goblin. Well, you keep hearing stuff. We've been pushing this cart for hours. Tapos nag-agree tong isang goblin. Tapos sumigaw tong leader nila, shut up. I don't wanna hear it. We're going to bring this We're going to bring this back to camp.
Di ba sobrang
Sabi na, tapos nagsalita tong isang Goblin, we're going to die. We're going to freeze to death. We're going to die.
Okay, we just need to untangle the polar bear quietly.
Wait lang, na-disconnect yung ano ko. Earphones ko saglit. Hindi ko kayo marinig.
Earphones.
Hindi ko kasi pwedeng
Ay.
i-withering gaze yung dalawang yung yung tali, hindi naman buhay na tao yun eh.
Ayan, okay na. Okay,
Eh,
yung,
Yung
okay,
ilang minutes na kayo dyan, pero hindi pa rin sila nakalayo.
okay. See? Oh my God, si Orpheus ulit yung pagsisneakin ko. Okay. Si Orpheus, kasi
So
siya lang
aware na
yung
sila,
may
may aware na
maid.
sila, aware na silang may something sa taas ah. Hindi lang nila tinitingnan.
Mm-mm.
Medyo cautious na sila.
Okay. Ano pa meron ko si Astria sa taas? Kasi
So salita
kung,
tong mga Goblin, can we just carry a few iron and leave? No, shut up. We're going to carry every iron. You know how expensive iron is.
Taas yung message eh. Namiss ko talaga yung message niya sa rin.
ano, tawag doon. Okay, si Orpheus, nag-conjure siya ng mage hand.
Okay.
Tapos, ano ba yung tali? Sige. Yeah. Lahat, hindi tatandaan. Baka hindi kayo ng mage hand. Okay. Sinahawak niya sa mage hand yung dagger.
Okay.
Tapos, sneak pass niya dun sa mga tawag dito, sa taas. Tapos, bumaba yung mage hand dun kung asan yung tali ng polar bears.
Okay. Like I said, cautious na sila since may narinig sila sa taas. One of the goblins saw that. I mean, it's a flying hand with a dagger coming from above. Which everyone is now
Okay.
aware of kasi may narinig sila sa taas. The moment na may nakita silang hand na may hawak na dagger, one of them threw a snowball sa hand. Tapos sumigaw yung isa. Ay, sumigaw tong leader nila. What? Alam mo yung pagbato niya ng snowball, tumama sa leader nila. Tumagos sa mage hand, nahulog yung dagger, tapos tumama yung snowball sa leader nila, tapos lumingon yung leader nila. Who threw that? Are you going to fight me now, huh? We're going to bring that, told you hundreds of times. We're going to bring the ingot to the camp. Tapos alam mo yung hawak niya na by the collar, tong gabita. Boss, hear me out. I'm sorry, you're not hearing things. I think someone is trying to steal our ingots. And it really does is coming up there. Tinitigan lang siya ng boss ng masama. Tapos alam mo yung pagkausog ng paa niya, nausog niya yung dagger na nahulog dun sa mage hand. Tinitigan niya ng
Agad.
masama. Tinitigan niya ng masama itong goblin. Are you trying to assassinate me? Sabi niya, no. I really did saw someone on top. Sabi niya. Tapos yung leader na to, tumingin siya dito sa taas. Kita niya slowly nag-turn yung head niya. Magtatago ba kayo?
Magtatago kami sa snow.
Okay.
Okay, umatras kayo.
Oo.
Hindi. Legit
Oo.
na tatakpan na namin. Kung makapal naman yung snow dito, di ba? So, magtatago
Oo.
kami dun sa may snow.
Tumingin siya doon.
Mag-ano.
Gano'ng kakapal
Tumingin siya
ba
doon.
yung wait lang, gano'n ba kakapal yung snow hanggang saan yung snow mula sa paa namin?
Siguro kalahati ng siguro medyo let's say hanggang boot level.
Boot level?
Boot level.
So mas mataas ng konti sa paa niya.
Okay. Eh di...
Mataas ng konti sa tawag dito.
Okay, wait lang.
Yeah, para kayo nagsusuot ng boot na natatabunan yung buong boots niya sa snow.
Nagtago lang si Astria dun sa parang konting paumbok na snow. Kasi nasa taas naman sila.
Okay, mag-roll kayo lahat ng stealth ulit.
Okay.
Since may blizzard ngayon,
Ayun.
madali kayo cover, lagyan nyo ng advantage.
Nice.
So, tinitingnan ng leader. Tinitingnan ng leader to. Well, some of you go check. Do you have to command everything?
Eh, bakit 24 to?
Ang ano. Baka
Pag
may advantage. May
advantage.
advantage ka. May advantage ka.
Oo. Okay, okay.
Okay.
Si
20.
Astria.
Lorax.
Well, one of you should check, sabi niya. I don't need to command every single thing. Sabi ng isang goblin. Well, I wanna check, but shut up. Shut up, just go check.
11.
Okay? One of the goblins. Pakahirap siyang umakyat dito. Uminto muna tong ano nila, wagon. Pagpunta na dito, may nakita lang siya na wala siyang nakita, puro snow lang. Tapos, pumunta siya dito, sumigaw siya dito sa boss niya. Boss, I think you really are hallucinating, sir. I think all of us are tired. Tapos alam mo, lumingon yung boss na to dito nung masama. I knew it. They're trying to assassinate me. Leave this guy to the snow. Let the Yetis eat him. Sabi niya. Tapos ito, nagpapanik lang. No, sir, I'm telling the truth. I saw a ghost hand. Ghost hand? Sabi niya. Wala silang idea kung ano yung mage hand kasi sobrang
Minsan.
bihira lang. Sobrang bihira lang yung spellcaster sa Icewind Dale. Ghost hand. And you're telling me that I'm the one hallucinating. Tapos, alam mo yung, tinulak niya lang to. Tapos sumigaw siya. Move the wagon. Leave this guy. If you follow, I will kill you. Nagpapanik lang tong goblin ito. Sir. I swear. Don't leave me here.
Oh,
Tapos bumalik na tong isa. Nag-proceed na sila ulit gumalaw.
okay,
Goblins are
okay.
dumb. Goblins are dumb.
Sabi,
Sin-
sir.
Kaya
sinab-
na namin.
Sinabi,
Clearly.
sige, never mind. Kailang malapit pa rin.
Okay.
Mas mabagal na sila ngayon kasi may one less goblin na nagtutulak. So,
Okay. Sinabihan ko si Orpheus ngayon. Orpheus, I think you can do the mage hand again, but make it that the mage hand go right under the snow.
It's under the snow.
Yeah, under the snow. The knife, make it
Under
under the
where
snow.
where exactly? In the middle of the carriage.
I mean, the root of the knife must be under the snow, and di ba your plan is to untangle the rope of the polar bear, right?
yung
Yes.
dagger ni Orpheus nandito sa baba.
So you must make it. So you must go the dagger through under the snow and cut it, so the goblins can't see it.
Ni Javier.
Ano?
So ano yung sinasabi ni Javier? So under the snow?
Sinabi ni Javier na kuha yung mismong dagger, parang idaan sa ilalim ng snow para hindi makita ng mga goblin.
Mm-mm. Okay. So, tawag dito. Kaso, okay. So, hindi sa taas. Baba.
Pero
Okay,
sa baba naman malapit naman.
Oo. Yung dagger naman nandito, no?
Oo.
I mean,
Medyo,
di ba yung mage
paano?
hand sa start sa'yo?
Nag-start
Or
sa kanya.
nakakast yun ng
Hindi.
malayo?
Ay,
Alam ko nakakasya ng, wait lang ah. Alam ko nakakasya ng malayo. Any
Okay.
point eh.
Any point siya
Wait, check ko.
mako-conjure?
Saglit. Check ko.
Yeah, you check.
Yeah, at a point you choose.
oh.
Within range.
Okay. Within range mo naman, no?
30
Mag-plus
feet.
ano ka na lang.
30 feet.
Plus 20 yan Kasi mataas to.
Plus 20. Ano ba to?
So
30 feet plus
kung nandito
20.
ka sa
So,
edge,
dapat
kung
dito.
nandito ka sa edge, ano lang, plus 20 kung nandito ka sa edge. Kasi 20 yung
Okay,
mabtaas.
okay. Okay, so
So, abot
pumunta
mo na
dito si Orpheus. No, punta dito si Orpheus.
Papastel
Hindi
troll
ko
pa
magalaw
kita.
si Orpheus.
Pwede ba ako mag-mage hand? Ay, wait lang. Never
May
mind, wag
mage
mo
hand
na.
ka ba?
Hindi, wala akong mage hand ngayon.
Okay,
I
so,
mean, wala.
tagang pumunta dyan si Orpheus.
Tsaka na.
Tapos, inano niya yung mage hand niya sa ilalim nung
Okay,
ano.
hindi na kita papastel
Okay.
troll kasi taas naman na yung stealth nyo kanina.
Sige.
Okay, sa ilalim.
So,
So, grab mo yung dagger.
okay. Kukunin ko yung dagger. Tapos sa ilalim. So, try nung mage hand na sneakily na tanggalin yung rope.
Okay,
Wait lang,
it's made of
Orpheus.
leather.
Orpheus, can you
Leather.
untangle it like for mage hand only? I think they will notice it if the polar bear
What?
suddenly. If
Yung tangle.
can you untangle it with your hand or with your mage hand first?
So, without the dagger.
Yeah, without the dagger, I think I think they will notice if if
Okay.
the rope has
So,
been cut.
binitawan nung, okay, sige. So, binatawan nung mage hand yung dagger slowly. Tapos, sinay niyang i-untangle yung,
Okay,
yung tali.
sige. Okay, after a few minutes of trying to untangle, and luckily, hindi masyado nakalayo tong wagon before mawala sa range mo yung mage hand. You successfully
Okay.
untangle. And since yung dalawang polar bear, parang tinatry nila yung best nilang hatakin. Once na na-untangle mo, alam mo yung nag-forward sila bigla. Na-trample nila tong leader nila. Na-trample nila leader nila. Tapos yung leader parang confused lang siya. Ano nangyayari? Prone na siya dyan sa snow. So, itong polar bear, pagkaabante ng konti, slowly nag-turn sa mga goblins.
Oh shit!
Nakita niyo yung eyes, yung mata nila sobrang galit.
Good
This
luck.
this is the fun. This is where the fun begins.
Ano?
Sabi ni
So,
Orpheus.
now we watch.
Okay.
Now we watch.
Okay, sige. Sa next session ko na lang yung battle.
Okay. Sige.
Yung huling sinabi na lang nitong goblin, oh shit.
We're fucked.
Kasi itong goblin ito sumisigaw, ha, serves you right, boss.
Deserve.
Yes,
No.
sige, sa Sunday na lang kung kaya.
Sige,
Kaya niyo.
sige.
Okay, sige.
Pag binatel natin ito, baka isang oras pa.
Isang oras na to.
Oo, for sure. For
Oo,
sure.
okay na rin tong end ng 1 o'clock.
So,
Uh,
oo.
sige.
Sige.
GG.
GG.
GG.